Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be going through a simple solution to LeetCode problem 344, which asks us to reverse an array of characters in place. When it asks us to reverse it in place, it means that we have to directly modify the array. Now, how do we reverse an array in Java? Let's think about this with the example array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we swap the elements in this array, or when we reverse the whole array, we get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We swapped 5 with 1, 4 with 2, and 3 with 3. We swapped the first element with the last element, the second element with the second last, and so on. To do this, we can use two pointers, one at the start of the array and one at the end of the array. What we can do here is swap the values at the pointers and then bring our pointers closer together by 1. We can keep on repeating this while the right pointer is greater than the left pointer. The reason we're adding this condition is because if the left pointer passes the right pointer, then we're undoing our swapping. Now that I know what to do, let's do it. We'll be initializing our two pointers. The first pointer will be set to the value of 0, and the other pointer will be set to the length of the array minus 1. And we're doing this due to how arrays start at index 0 in Java. Next up, we'll be storing our code for the swapping under a while loop that runs while the right pointer is greater than the left pointer, to ensure that we're actually swapping the values correctly. Now, onto the actual swapping. We can't just set the value at, for example, index 1 to be the value at index 2, and then set the value at index 2 to be the value at index 1. If we did this, then we're just setting both values to be the value at index 2, and this is not swapping the values. Instead, we're going to be using a temporary variable for storage. We should make sure to initialize a temporary character variable for storing our characters. Then what we're going to do is we're going to set the value of the temporary variable to be the value stored at the left pointer. Then, we set the value at the left pointer to be the value at the right pointer. Since we saved the previous value at the left pointer before we changed it, we can now set the value at the right pointer to the temporary variable, which effectively swaps the values at the pointers. We then just have to make sure that we decrease our right pointer by 1 and increase our left pointer by 1 to make sure that we're actually reversing the whole array. When we run this code, we can see that it works. If you have any questions or problems that you'd like me to go over, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, goodbye.